What two consecutive numbers is the radical between? And this is the square root of 67. Now this is where it comes in handy to know your perfect squares, right? And I'm going to do this two different ways because it doesn't take too long. Got the square root of 67, and I know the perfect square that's just below it is 64, right? So the square root of 64 I know is 8, and the one just above it would be 81. And the square root of 81 is 9. Which means the square root of 67 is somewhere between 8 and 9. Boom, there you go. Now, I use the perfect squares to do this one, and it really is as simple as that, knowing the perfect squares. But if you don't know your perfect squares, then just use your calculator. I would type this in as the square root of 67, and when I push enter, my calculator gives me the square root of 67, but if I push the double arrow button, it gives me the decimal as was 8.18535 and some change. All right, it goes on forever and doesn't repeat. It's pretty ugly. But what this does is it shows me that 8.18535 is just to the right of 8. It'd be like right here if this was a number line, and it's far to the left of 9. So again, this has to be between 8 and 9. However you want to look at it is up to you, but both ways work.